So why vegetarianism? Why healthy lifestyle? Why natural remedies? Well, I think because a lot of people in this world are going through and will be going through the worst times of their lives, with many illnesses, many diseases, and they don't know what to do, and they're depending on medications, supplements, alternative medicine. And I'm here to tell you, after 25 years being vegetarian, depending on natural remedies, the natural environment, and faith, those are the main things that we need to move forward and to have a healthy life, spiritually, mentally, and physically, or in whatever order you'd like to put it in. So that's how I like to begin right now, stating that because of the overwhelming amount of illnesses, deaths.
You're using walking navigation, which might not give the best route.
Alright, well, thank you. Thank you, Google Maps. And I should turn it off. Anyway, it's too late now. So anyway, all I want to say is, there is a way, there's hope. If you're listening to this right now, you're watching this, it's because there's a reason. Maybe you're struggling with something right now. Maybe someone in your family is struggling. Nowadays, all the time in the news, you hear cancer, diabetes, you hear obesity, you hear arthritis, you hear heart disease. Oh, here comes the fire truck. I guess I'm going to have to move to the left here. There we go. How about that? Right in the middle of this video. God bless him, have mercy on that guy. Who knows? Maybe right now there's someone who's going through a challenge. So anyway, with all that being said, I want to give you hope. I want to give you an opportunity to learn more about my experiences, my challenges, my discoveries. There was a time when I would always get colds, and I would get flu, and I'd be out sick like a week and a half, and I'd be like, what's going on, man? And I didn't want to take the flu shot because the flu shot had made me even worse. And as a vegetarian, forget it, man. I was just like, I am not going to go through that. And with medications, the side effects and everything, you know, I said, no way, I'm had it. So that's what I've been learning all these years, that there are safer methods, purer methods, and even truer methods, and opportunities to take care of your body, strengthen your body, so you can live longer and live stronger. That's my motto there. So what are some things that we can do to jumpstart our health? Well, we can drink more water, first of all. You know, a lot of people nowadays are just stuck on sodas, coffee, you name it. Anything that's not water. Juices. Now some of you say, hey, what's wrong with some juice? Well, you know, in moderation, which is another subject. But water is the main fluid that we need in our bodies. Our bodies are more than 70% water. I wonder why. We need a lot of water, because once we don't drink water, we get dehydrated, and there's the problem. We get the headaches, faintiness, weakness. We get tired sooner. Not to mention we get bloated. How about that? More ambulances. More backup. There he goes. So water is one thing. So let's start with something simple. So how about, you know, they're recommended, they say, you know, 64 ounces per day. You break it up into small pieces. You can drink 8 ounces here, 8 ounces there. You know,
slight right onto the I-495 West ramp, then merge onto I-495 West.
If you need 64 ounces, and each one of those water bottles, or bottled waters, are 16 ounces, okay? So I just need 4 of those a day. And yeah, you can go with the divide by 2. What is it? Divide your weight by 2, and that's how many ounces you should drink. So if you weigh 150, you should drink 75 ounces of water. Yeah, you can do that. The main thing is you got to drink water. And you're like, I hate water. I don't want to drink any water. It's like, well, you know, would you rather be in pain? Would you rather be suffering? But listen, can't go wrong with water. I mean, it doesn't taste good at first. It doesn't have any sweeteners. But hey, take it a little bit at a time, a little bit at a time. So anyway, one good thing is start the day. Keep a bottle. I do this. I keep a bottle of water next to my bed, and at night I have it there. So when I wake up, it's there. You know, have you ever noticed that when you wake up, your throat is dry? Sometimes you're even hoarse. I don't know. But it seems to me like during the night, you're getting dehydrated. So that's one thing that must be a sign that you need some water. So keep a bottle of water next to your bed. Drink maybe half of it before you get out of bed. Drink the other half before you get out of the house. Hey, that's 1 down, 3 to go. I used to take 2 bottles to work. I try to take 2 bottles and finish them. Sometimes I don't finish the 2. I might just finish 1 or 1.5 because I usually take some tea to keep me warm because it's always AC. But anyway, that's another topic. So anyway, we're up to 8 minutes and a half here. So I'm going to have to cut it short here. But basically, hey, drink some more water. And at night, finish up the last 1 or 2. Hey, if you exercise, drink some more. But listen, I'm not telling you to do this all in one day or all at once. Take it little by little. Start with just 1 bottle of water. Say, okay, today I'm going to finish 1 bottle of water. Hey, little goals, big victories. This is Al Ortiz for JumpStart Your Health. And hey, if you like this video, give me a like. Tell me, what are you struggling with? Do you think this is something that's going to help you? And tell me if it has helped you. If you started drinking, 1 bottle a day and you're seeing a change, a difference, hey, let me know about it. I want to make a difference. I want to make you feel better. I want you to have hope. I want you to see the light of the tunnel. I want you to go farther, faster, and live a life of health, and a life of happiness, a life of just over-thrilled to know that I don't have to be like this all my life. Because you can change. All right, guys. Nice talking to you. So remember, if you like this, subscribe. And until next video, we'll talk more. We got other things going on. We can talk about how much sunshine you need. We'll talk about how much sleep you need. We'll talk about how much nutrition, balanced diet, plant-based diet. We'll talk about, just a balance of everything. Take care, guys.